Hi everyone. Welcome back. Today we're diving into a critical and often overlooked part of AI development, ethical data collection and labeling. How we gather and label data can make a big difference in AI fairness, reliability, and inclusivity. To start, ethical data collection means gathering data in ways that respect privacy, avoid bias, and represent diverse voices. AI models are only as good as the data they're trained on. So it's crucial to make sure our data is both comprehensive and fair. Let's talk about some powerful tools and practices that can help us ethically gather and label data. I'll introduce 3 tools and a framework that can support ethical data processes from collection to labeling. First up is Snorkel. Snorkel is a data programming tool that lets you create labeled datasets using automated labeling functions. This can help reduce reliance on manual labeling, which is often prone to human bias. By using clear rules, we can ensure that labels are applied consistently across datasets. Imagine you're building an AI to analyze customer reviews for bias in tone. Instead of manually labeling each review, Snorkel lets you set specific rules, like tagging all caps or certain words to identify potential biases. It's a fast way to get labeled data while keeping ethical labeling in mind. Next is CrowdFlower. CrowdFlower provides a platform for crowdsourced data labeling, but allows us to create rigorous guidelines that help ensure labelers understand the task's ethical nuances. Say you're collecting sentiment data from a variety of social media posts. With CrowdFlower, you can set up detailed instructions for labelers to avoid cultural or personal biases, so your data is more accurate and ethical. Another useful tool is Labelbox. Labelbox allows you to create datasets and apply detailed ethical guidelines for labelers. What's great about Labelbox is its support for workflows that promote ethical standards like privacy, accuracy, and transparency. Imagine you're annotating images for a facial recognition system. With Labelbox, you can establish rules that exclude identifying personal features, keeping privacy front and center. Now, tools are essential, but so is the process. One framework I recommend is diverse and inclusive data sampling. This means gathering data from a wide range of backgrounds, demographics, and perspectives. This helps ensure your AI model is fair and doesn't favor one group over another. For instance, if you're training an AI for voice recognition, be sure to include samples from various accents and dialects. This way, your AI is inclusive and reliable for a broader audience. To sum up, ethical data collection and labeling are vital for building trustworthy AI. Here are some best practices to keep in mind. 1. Use automated labeling tools like Snorkel to minimize human bias. 2. Work with platforms like CrowdFlower and Labelbox to establish clear, ethical guidelines for labelers. 3. Follow inclusive data sampling frameworks to make sure your AI considers diverse voices. Thanks for watching. Remember, ethical AI isn't just about algorithms. It's also about the quality of the data we use. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, or if there's a specific ethical tool or practice you'd like me to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe for more insights on ethical AI development.